really, but it is a little bit, tiny bit, kind of cold. It's like 60 degrees in LA, which is cold for Los Angeles, even though, I mean, we are in my house and, well, it's warm in here. What is up, beautiful people? It's Amber, your marshmallow queen, professor for the day, and welcome to your first day of class. So you guys know I freaking love fashion, and that is no different in the winter months. In fact, it's even better. Like, when else can you wear this and get away with it aside of Halloween? Or, you know, I mean, I guess if you're dressing up as Oscar the Grouch's girlfriend for the company Christmas party. But today I thought I would give you my best tips and tricks for looking hot when it's cold, because winter fashions are some of the most fun fashions, and there's no reason not to look hot all year round. So without further ado, here we go. Your foolproof guide. How to look hot when it's cold. This is gonna be good. This video was gifted to me by Boohoo, so thanks Boohoo for sponsoring the video. Love ya. Use code AMBERSCHOLL for 60% off your entire order through February 15th. You're welcome. All right, so do you guys have your notepads ready? Here we go. Tip numero uno. Faux fur is it. Honestly, faux fur is everything this winter season, and honestly, every season. You can catch me in July sporting pink fluff if I want to, but seriously, faux fur is a great way to look smoking hot, even in sub-zero temperatures. Comes in like 6,000 different varieties, so you can go a little avant-garde like I am with this look, or of course, you can always go a little bit more subtle, like, you know, this. Fluffy bear, yes, honey. There's even some cute cropped versions like this black one. Ah, I live. You look like a little snow bunny. All while saving the real bunnies. Wear them with skirts, wear them with pants, wear them with shorts, whatever it is looks the most fly to you. Looking like a sugar baby while saving the fluffy babies. And what's better than that? I don't know, $10 million would be nice. Or maybe a yacht.
I want a yacht and really that's not a lot.
Anyways, tip numero dos. Copy celebs. If Rihanna looks freaking hot in it, well, maybe we can look kind of okay, sort of in it, maybe. Celebs are a great place to steal inspo from because they are queens and kings of rocking certified looks. I saw Ariana Grande copy Regina George, so I copied Regina George. Want to look like a supermodel? Copy Kendall Jenner. We got this red puffer look. Ooh, honestly, why not? Like a red fluffy firefighter lady, but sexy. You can even be inspired by fictional characters like Carrie Bradshaw. Your favorite TV shows often have a lot of fire fashion that you can pull from inspo as well. Mr. Big, where are you? There you are, thanks for making an appearance. Or a fresh take on some classic looks like Julia Roberts' Oscar look. Ooh, look at that. Inspired. Again, take the last tip and throw in some fur to complete the look and boom. Whatever your personal style might be, we can all take a cue from celebs and prance around looking like the plastics. But the 2018 kind-hearted pure version. Alrighty, next up on our burn book tip list, designer dupes. Y'all been done knowing I am the queen of this. One of my favorite tips of fashion always is to steal designer looks without the price tag, because hello, why pay $4,000 when you can pay $4? Versace on the floor, who? It's boohoo boo. Funky patterns that resemble designer patterns are always a way to look expensive on a budget. You guys even saw this look on my Instagram. Every single person thought it was the real deal, but guess what? It's not. It was 16 bucks, 50% off. Not to mention, it's literally the cutest look ever. Oh my God. I love it. By the way, there's no reason you can't wear mini skirts in the winter. Just throw on some tights and a jacket. I mean, if you're in like sub-zero climates with polar bears outside, don't do that. But, you know, if you're just in LA and it's not that cold, you can def get away with it. Looking like $1 million without spending $1 million. Now that's an aesthetic. Alrighty, coming in hot for the next tip. Funky patterns are the way to go. Why be drab when you can be fab? Plain basics are cool and all, but what about instead of plain boots, you buy some funky leopard print ones? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, that was more like a monkey, but still. Or instead of plain black shorts, leopard shorts. Leopard shorts not enough? Try a leopard jacket. Oh my God, this is such a look. Can you tell I'm like super into leopard lately? But seriously though, any funky print or pattern will create a cool look. Like, look at this sweater. I'm living. Best time to wear a checkered sweater is all the time. But seriously, any look can be fun if you add a pop of print or pattern.
Just wanna wish you a cheetah-licious Christmas.
Tip number, whatever number we're on. Accessorize. Hats, tights, belts, jewelry, sis, it is it. Winter fashion is the most fun for getting creative, so make sure to utilize all the fun options out there. Plain sweaters are cool, but make it funky fresh by adding a matching hat. A plain black sweater dress is always a look, but throw on a really groovy belt and boom! Now it's a 90s runway masterpiece. Now that is saucy. One of my other favorite things, thigh-high socks. Very clueless fab. Love that for myself. Like we're going skiing, except we're not. We're taking Instagram photos. And next up on the list, the loves of my life. Shoes. Cool shoes will always come through to save the day. In fact, historically, shoes are the most important fashion accessory in the world. Okay, I made that up, but this is my video, so I get to write the history on this. Shoes make the world go round and make everything a look. Are you bored with your plain black sweater? Boom! Add some fiery, spicy shoes, and there you go. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, sis. Need a little bit of extra glam in your life? Ooh, add some sparkly shoes. Heck, you can be naked and wear nothing but the shoes and it's a look. Okay, that's a little dramatic, but hey, in contrast, covered head to toe because it's freezing and this is supposed to be a winter lookbook, if you're wearing glittery shoes, you're still guaranteed to look fabulous. I don't do drugs, I do shoes. Next on the list, match your makeup to your looks and add funky hairstyles. Why not get creative? Red lipstick and a groovy hairdo always make your outfits pop. Trying to catch the attention of a special someone? I read in an article once that men stare at women's lips 20% longer when they're red. Are you like me and rolling your eyes into infinity at the suggestion of wearing red lipstick to impress a man? Then wear it for you, sis! Make him drool and don't call him back. Iconic. And now my favorite winter fashion tip of all. As Proverbs Cardi 2:12 once said, a hoe never gets cold. So grab your favorite party dress and get out there. Pneumonia can't get you down when you look this good. Okay, maybe it can be safe, but this dress was only like 10 bucks and makes me feel like a freaking superstar, so I'm feeling pretty confident in my ability to fight off all the germs right now. And the imaginary paparazzi. Please, please, no pictures. Just kidding, yes, lots of pictures. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Follow me to peep this on the gram later at Amber Scholl. But in all seriousness though, if you're just getting in a car and walking in somewhere, go ahead and rock whatever you want. Cool weather can't stop you from looking cool. And that's the tea on that. And of course we saved the best for last. The ultimate way to look hot when it's cold is confidence, baby. So take a risk, have fun. Fashion is meant to be a self-expression of you. So go pop off, sis. There is no reason not to feel fabulous all the time. So go show the world what you got. Confidence is the key to looking fire in any weather. If you think it's a look and you can rock it, then guess what? It's a look and you're rocking it. And that, my friends, is the key to looking hot not only when it's cold, but all the time. So there you have it, Kit Kats. That is how to look hot when it's cold. I hope you guys loved the video, and I hope you got a little bit of chuckles out of it, and if nothing else, you enjoyed seeing me try to talk out of this big pink fuzzball, because let me tell you, I had a blast wearing it. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for the full Amber Scholl. Haha, get it? School. I mean, my last name is pronounced Scholl, but School. Okay. School, a series of how to basically do anything you want in this world. If you want to shop any of my looks and twin with me, all of my looks are linked below. So again, major shout out to Boohoo. We love ya. And on that note, I'm going to sign off and start filming my next class. So see you next week, kids. Stay warm in your fire looks. I love you, my sweet, beautiful, stylish, fantabulous baby angels. XO. This is so fuzzy, I love it. Cruella de Vil, Cruella de Vil. I don't know the rest of the words to the song. Oh well, I guess that's all for this performance. Thanks for watching, thanks for coming. Happy holidays. Thanks for flying Southwest Airlines. Okay, I'm really done now. Good night, kids.